Hello, hello, hello. It's a me, Mr. Thibodiox. Alright, well, welcome to a new week, y'all. Hope you guys had fun hanging out with Mr. Brown last week for Thursday. So it's a short week, so we only have 3 lessons that you're going through, okay, because there's no Friday. Now, for the work that we are doing, the new concept here is not very new. It shouldn't be. I think you've done this before and things, but they're trying to talk about it differently now. So it's word problems again, and they talk about it as in equal groups. I don't know if that's helpful for you or not. It is not how I think about it exactly. I mean, I just think of it as multiplication and division problems. But I want you guys, if it helps you, absolutely, think about it the way they talk about it. If not, I mean, all you're doing is 15 rows of chairs, 20 chairs together, altogether 300 chairs in the auditorium. Okay. So essentially, we're given a multiplication fact in this. What they want you to be able to do is they want you to be able to, recognize the multiplication fact that if we have, and this is how they talk about the equal groups, right? There's 15 groups. Each group has 20 chairs, okay? So then how many chairs are there? But essentially we're given, 15 times 20 equals 300. Now this one is not actually a word problem, right? Because there's no question here. You have all the information. They want you to just know that 15 times 20 is 300. 20 times 15 equals 300. And then 300 divided by 15 equals 20. And 300 divided by 20 equals 15, right? These are our facts. The important thing here is to know that if you're missing a part of this, say if their story said there's 15 rows of chairs, a total of 300 chairs in the auditorium, how many chairs are in each row, right? That means that 20 is missing, so you have to now try and figure out how to find it. Well, 300 divided by 15, okay? So this is it's not that difficult math, it's not that complicated. I think you guys should have no trouble at all with this. The steps here, they're trying to put it in as mathematically as possible to make it, this and then this and then this. If it helps you to go through it in these steps, absolutely go ahead and do it that way. If it doesn't, if these steps just seem like a waste of time and you understand it either way, you can skip them. I'm not going to make you show me each of these steps, regardless of what the book says, okay? So if it does help you, use it, But so let's see, for your practice set, super easy, 2 questions. Follow the 4-step method to solve each problem. You can just go ahead and try and solve this, right? Marcy collected $4.50 selling lemonade at 25 cents per cup. How many cups of lemonade did she sell? So, yeah, and you can either do 25 cents as 0.25, or you can switch this to 450, right? And then you do a division problem, and you figure out how many times 25 cents goes into 450, or $4.50, okay? And that'll tell you how many cups she sold. So you're going to go through those. The written practice I want you guys to do, we'll continue with the word problem. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. I do think it's pretty quick and it's easy to do things like 5. 6 is going to be important. Negative numbers, we're still getting used to those. Yeah, let's go ahead and do 1 through 10. And then we'll go ahead and do 15 through 29 odd. Now, I have changed the way I'm doing it this week. Okay, so I have this video here. This is the only video I'm making for this. I'm not making a written practice video where I go through everything. If you get stuck on any one of these questions or a number of these questions, shoot me an email with the questions you get stuck on, and I'll make a video specifically for you with answering your question, going really slowly with it, and then I'll send that off to you, okay? So that way, you know, if you get stuck on something, you don't go and watch my written practice video and see me just like zoom past it. You see it give you exactly what you need. And also, there's been so many times where the written practice videos that I've been making have not been viewed at all. So I think this will be a better way to do it. So absolutely, just shoot me an email any time of day to ask me the question about the problem you're on, and I'll go ahead and send you an email. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good one, and